Good day, guys. Good day. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, we always have something to say. Lana, yogia kulunya straight. Guys, whilst we are talking, can you please don't forget just to subscribe and like, and then siqale ke sikhulume, siqale ke sihlebe. Guys, for those who subscribed, thank you so much. Those who are still gonna subscribe, I know you will subscribe when your heart tells you that you should subscribe. No problem, guys. I appreciate. Guys, Matel and Mayeni, they don't like each other. They don't like each other, and sometimes we ask ourselves why, why are these two people not liking each other? But during diary sessions, they normally talk. They normally say, "Yasin, lo ocabanga othi so, lo ocabanga othi so." Yabo. So there's a video that's gonna follow after this one. You will hear exactly why they are not liking each other. You will just hear now in the video that is following. Why are they not liking each other? And then Mina, when I was growing up, I used to hear when you have Isitembu, I used to hear, when you have Isitembu as a man, you have to do something to these women so that they should get along together. So I don't know Isitembu samanje sinjani, but I've heard that before. I don't know. I don't have too much experience with Isitembu because where I grew up, not even one person had Isitembu. But I've heard when you've got Isitembu, you have to do this to your women. It's not like we have a target. You just have to do that. I don't know what, so that they can get along. So I'm asking myself that why Musa is not doing that. People are saying Musa Utwele. People are saying Musa Unenyoga. I don't know. That one is just a rumor. So I was asking myself, how can you think about Inyoga? How can you think about Uktwala whilst you are not thinking about the simple thing? Make sure ukuthi bakulalele bazwane kubane nepeace endlini, because uyagula khona manje. In the name of there's no peace, you are always trying to come in between fights amongst your women. That's what I was asking myself. So you will hear why Umaqele and Mayeni are not getting along. You still remember the other time when Musa was sick, Cele called Mayeni. Mayeni was like, "Hi, who's that?" As in, I don't have your number. Is it really normal? At all. So guys, listen to the next clip. You will understand why they are not getting along. Bye.
And umayeni mangabe ngimbheka unakho ukuthi ayitshele noma acabanga ukuthi ngamthathela umyeni. It's just that nje asikaze sihlale phansi naye sikhulume lonto. And as long ngani ngeke izithwalise izono zami koba kuhle.